The Avalon bottom-loading water cooler dispenser makes it easier and more convenient than ever. With its innovative design, 3 temperature settings, and BioGuard technology, this dispenser ensures that you have access to refreshing water at just the right temperature, while prioritizing your safety. Whether you need a cold drink to quench your thirst, hot water for tea or coffee, or room temperature water for various purposes, the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler dispenser is your go-to solution for effortless hydration. Convenient bottom-loading design. The Avalon water cooler dispenser features a bottom-loading design, eliminating the hassle of lifting heavy water bottles onto the top of the unit. Simply slide the water bottle into the hidden compartment at the bottom, and the dispenser does the rest. This design not only saves you from straining your back, but also maintains a sleek and attractive appearance without the clutter of visible bottles. It's a convenient solution for both home and office environments, providing quick and easy access to refreshing water. Versatile temperature settings. This water cooler dispenser offers 3 temperature settings to accommodate a range of preferences. Enjoy a refreshing glass of cold water on a hot summer day, or chill your favorite beverage with the crisp cold water option. Need hot water for tea, instant soups, or oatmeal? The dispenser provides a hot water option at your fingertips. Additionally, the room temperature setting is perfect for those who prefer water without extreme temperatures, or for various household tasks. This versatility ensures that the Avalon water cooler dispenser caters to the needs of every individual. Enhanced safety. With BioGuard technology, when it comes to ensuring the safety of your drinking water, the Avalon water cooler dispenser goes the extra mile. It incorporates BioGuard technology, which prevents the growth of bacteria, mold, and other harmful microorganisms in the water reservoir. This feature provides peace of mind, knowing that the water you consume is clean and free from contaminants. The dispenser also includes a child safety lock for the hot water spout, preventing accidental burns or spills. With O and Energy Star's approval, you can trust in the reliability and efficiency of this dispenser. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.